Hey everyone! Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I will show you how to make green papaya salad. Papaya salad is very common in Thai cuisine and it is usually served in Thai restaurants around the world. It is called Som Tam. Papaya by itself is very common in tropical countries and tropical climates, and I'm sure that folks in the Philippines, Hawaii, Thailand, this dish is very easy for you guys. Green papaya is basically unripe papaya. You can find this in your Oriental market or Asian market. Usually you cannot find this in the normal grocery stores when you are in North America or probably in Europe. So for our ingredients, of course, the green papaya or the unripe papaya, we will shred this. I will show you how to do it.
Only took one time, climb on my top of mine.
So the papaya that we have bought has turned yellow, but it's not soft. So basically this can still be used with our ingredients. To make it very thin, I'm going to show you.
Pull on my strings like kite, I don't know my left from right.
So we will cut it into strips so we can achieve the thinly shredded papaya. See that?
I don't know my left from right.
We've got limes. Limes are usually very aromatic. It smells good, but if you don't have lime handy, you can do small limes or calamansi or lemons. After extracting the juice, we will reserve this peel so we can extract the oils from the skin. We have carrots. We will also shred this one into julienne cut, very thin. If you don't have cherry tomatoes, you can use the smaller tomatoes that are available on you. About 2 tablespoons of dried shrimp, 1 head of garlic. This is the fish sauce we've used. This is Marca Hipon. This is a Filipino brand. And you see, this is not a clear fish sauce, but this is really good. And we use, instead of palm sugar, we use honey so that it will be healthier. Small chilies, about 5 or 6 of them. We have the string beans. We'll cut this into half. We'll need about 5 to 7 string beans. 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. We'll start with the lime so it won't be messy with other ingredients. We will extract all the oils from this one so it will combine with all our ingredients. The next one is the garlic. The next one is the dried shrimp. We'll put it in.
Getting more than a side in a DM. You got me on the whole. Oh.
And next is the chili. Put it in.
On the whole. Oh. Another level.
You put this in. I can smell the chili.
Mama said I should be careful. I add
The lime.
your influence.
Fish sauce.
Your influence.
That's honey.
It's moving, pumping.
With the string beans. Is the cherry tomato. Just half of it. Okay. Ooh. And lastly, we put the papaya.
It's moving, pumping through my veins. I'm tripping on your love.
This is almost done. All the ingredients and all the sauces are all married together. The rest of the tomatoes that we reserved too. A little bit of sesame oil here. I have another special oil that I learned from Korean friend. This is perilla oil. This is very aromatic oil. And we'll top it with sesame seeds.
You got your mama's sunshine, You got your daddy's ring. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane.